Matt, the mortgage guy here. Mortgage Mondays, episode 7, where I'm talking about the importance of working with a good lender. Matt, the mortgage guy here. Mortgage Mondays, episode 7. I'm talking about the importance of a great lender. And I want to make this video because I've heard more and more horror stories that, in my opinion, could have been avoided if upfront the client would have chosen to go with a mortgage professional that had their best interest in mind, was straightforward with them, and, for lack of a better term, did a better job. So when someone's out there looking to get a mortgage, it's the biggest transaction in most people's lives. So it's important to find somebody who is good at what they do, has your best interest in mind, and really helps you not only navigate the process but understand the process. And so when you're out there looking at things and you're asking questions like who's got the best interest rate, who's got the lowest fees, while these are important questions and it's okay to shop for these things, more important questions in my mind is this person efficient? Is this person reliable? Can they close the transaction on time? Are they going to give me a level of customer service that I deserve? And so with that being said, the reason why the mortgage professional is so important in the transaction and can make or break a real estate transaction is plain and simple. They're not all the same level when it comes to their processes, their skills, and their work ethic, I guess. So, two very important pieces, what I mentioned earlier: the level of service and the speed of the transaction. And first off, level of service. The mortgage transaction should be something that is not a burden on the client. It should be something that's smooth, seamless, and relatively easy. If you have a mortgage professional that has their processes in place, has a system that's really dialed in, they are going to be so thorough up front that the process is going to go so smooth. You're going to be updated on how things are going. If you're going to have to provide further documentation, it's going to be very minimal because they've done a good job of collecting everything up front. So there's that piece. There's also the speed of the transaction. That comes with having those processes in place. If the mortgage professional you're working with has processes between how they collect stuff from you, how quick they are to get stuff to processors, to underwriters, order appraisal, and so on, there's not going to be an issue closing your loan within a certain time frame. And the fact of the matter is, some people just don't have that stuff dialed in, whether it be from lack of experience, laziness, or no processes. Whatever it is, it's very important that when you enter into a real estate contract and you are planning on closing in 30 days, you know that you've got a mortgage professional that understands that, has been through it enough times to where, they understand the importance of doing things in a timely fashion to meet these deadlines and not just winging it, hoping it comes together. So with that being said, go out there, find yourself a mortgage professional who is dialed, and enjoy the home purchase process, because it can, should, and will be a smooth, easy, and exciting process as long as you've got the right people on your team. Until next time.